Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check your internet speed on PC. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Brave right here, or even Opera, okay? And then in the URL box, just type down speed test, okay? That's it. Just hit on enter, wait for it to load, and if you're using Google as your search engine, it will automatically bring up Google Internet Speed Test. Okay, you can just go ahead and run a speed test right here, click on it, wait for it to load or wait for it to finish. And then once that's done, you're good to go. Okay, so it's currently testing the download speed. And then after that, it's going to test the upload speed. Now, higher download speeds right here means that you can stream better quality or stream better quality video, download things. And higher upload speeds means you can upload faster. That is also good for video calls or audio calls. Now, we have here latency. The smaller, the better, okay? And this one right here is best for gaming. Now, there are other ways to test your internet if you're maybe hesitant with the first result, okay? You can go ahead over to Speed Test by Ookla or fast.com. So let's just go ahead and open up these websites. All right, so here's the interface for Speed Test by Ookla, and this one is for fast.com. All right, and there you have it. That is how you check your internet speed on PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.